Welcome to Utter Mind. Neuro-Linguistic Programming, NLP, unlock the power of your brain. Neuro-Linguistic Programming, NLP, is a method for understanding and influencing human behavior and communication. It was developed in the 1970s by Richard Bandler and John Grinder, who studied the communication patterns and behaviors of successful therapists, business leaders, and other influential individuals. NLP is based on the idea that our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors are interconnected and can be modified through specific techniques. NLP is based on three main components: neurology, language, and programming. The neurology component refers to the way in which our brain processes information and how it affects our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. The language component refers to the way in which we use language to influence ourselves and others, and the programming component refers to the way in which we organize and structure our thoughts and behaviors. One of the key techniques used in NLP is reframing. Reframing is the process of changing the way we perceive and interpret events in order to change our emotional response. For example, if someone is feeling stressed about a presentation they have to give, reframing might involve changing the way they think about the presentation from "I'm going to fail" to "this is an opportunity to showcase my skills." By changing the way they perceive the situation, they can change their emotional response to it. Another technique used in NLP is anchoring. Anchoring is the process of associating a specific emotion or state with a particular stimulus, such as a word or gesture. For example, if someone wants to feel more confident in a particular situation, they might anchor the feeling of confidence to a specific word or gesture, such as a confident posture, so that they can access that feeling whenever they need it. NLP is also used to help individuals overcome limiting beliefs and phobias. Limiting beliefs are beliefs that hold us back from achieving our goals, such as "I'm not good enough" or "I can't do it." By identifying and challenging limiting beliefs, individuals can overcome them and achieve their goals. NLP has also been used to improve communication skills and to enhance relationships. The techniques used in NLP can be used to improve one's ability to communicate effectively with others, and to build stronger relationships based on trust, understanding, and mutual respect. NLP has been used in a variety of fields including therapy, coaching, education, sales, and management. NLP has been used by many successful individuals in various fields such as business, sports, entertainment, and therapy. Some famous people who have used NLP or credited it for their success include Tony Robbins, Paul McKenna, Darren Brown, Tim Ferriss, Will Smith. There are several ways to practice NLP in daily life. Number 1. Reframing. Reframing is a powerful NLP technique that can be used to change the way we perceive and interpret events in our lives. To practice reframing, try to identify negative thoughts or beliefs that are holding you back and challenge them. For example, if you catch yourself thinking "I'll never be able to do this," reframe that thought to "I'm capable and I'll figure out a way to do this." Number 2. Anchoring. Anchoring is the process of associating a specific emotion or state with a particular stimulus, such as a word or gesture. To practice anchoring, identify a specific emotion you would like to experience more of in your daily life, such as confidence or happiness. Then, find a word or gesture that can serve as an anchor for that emotion. Every time you want to feel more confident or happy, use your anchor word or gesture to access that emotion. Number 3. Metamodel. The meta-model is a set of language patterns that help us to understand the deeper structure of what people say and to identify any missing information. To practice the meta-model, pay attention to the language people use and try to identify any generalizations, deletions, or distortions in the information they provide. Number 4. Submodalities. Submodalities are the specific qualities of our mental images, such as size, brightness, and location. To practice submodalities, try to visualize a goal or a positive outcome in your mind's eye, and then change the submodalities of the mental image. For example, if you visualize a goal and the image is small, far away, and in black and white, try to change it to be bigger, closer, and in color. Number 5. Self-talk. Self-talk is the internal dialogue we have with ourselves. To practice NLP in this area, try to become aware of your self-talk and reframe any negative thoughts or beliefs you may have into positive ones. It's important to note that NLP is not a one-time fix and it's not a magic solution. It's a set of tools and techniques that need to be practiced consistently to see the results. It's also important to seek professional help if you wish to use NLP to overcome specific issues or problems. Overall, NLP is a powerful tool that can be used to understand and influence human behavior and communication. It can be used to overcome limiting beliefs, improve communication skills, and enhance relationships. It can also be used to achieve personal and professional goals. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Utter Mind.